slip away.
This is not a clean transmission. You are hearing fragments of something already gone.
Let it slip away. Back again, back again,
with a sound you never found.
I found you in the noise between two broken stations. Half signal, half memory, still breathing somehow. Don't let it slip. Hold on to the feelings fade. Hold on, crave dust on my fingertips. History stuck in the grooves. Every voice I borrow, got nothing left to lose.
Back again.
Don't let it slip. Don't let it slip. Please, please, please.
If you hear it, it was meant for you. There's no original moment, just copies of copies feeling real for a second.
Don't let it slip. Don't let it slip away. Was it ever yours, or just passing through? Don't let it slip away. Don't let it slip.